Hello, I'm Huda Shakiri. I lead the Computer Science Master Programs at Akhawayn University. If you're looking to advance your career in software engineering and digital transformation, the Master of Science and Software Engineering program is built for you. Our program combines strong technical foundation along with modern industry practices, including agile software development, DevOps, cloud and edge computing, UI/UX design. In each course, in addition to the foundation technical skills, we offer hands-on projects and the real-world use cases run along with our international and national industry partners. Our students develop the needed skills to design, build, operate complex software systems. Whether you are a recent graduate or a working professional seeking to advance your expertise, the Master of Science in Software Engineering program prepares you for leadership roles in the rapidly evolving digital and AI economy. We look forward to welcoming you to the School of Science and Engineering at AUI. Bye!